In this video, we're going to be covering how to fix any play in your front roller. If you have excessive play in your height of cut knob or in your front roller, this is a great video to watch to fix it. To start, you do not need to take your cover off. I have my cover off just so you can see everything that I'm doing. For this first step, you're going to want to lower the mower as low as it can go. To do this, you're going to turn the height of cut knob counterclockwise. You'll know when it's a good time to stop when the mower stops lowering and the height of cut knob is approximately a 1/4 inch off of the frame. Next, you want to grab a pair of channel locks. I also like to grab a towel just to protect the surface of the knob. Grab an adjustable wrench, and you're going to want to separate the lock nut from the knob itself. Once you have the lock nut separated, you're going to want to tighten that down all the way to the frame so it's nice and snug. Tighten the knob down by hand until it's touching the lock nut. Grab your tools and your towel and tighten that lock nut against the knob. You're going to want to turn the lock nut counterclockwise to tighten those two together. And that should tighten up the excessive play in the roller and the knob. We hope this video answered all of your questions and you can get back to mowing and enjoying your Rolux mower. If it didn't answer all of your questions or your mower still has something wrong with it, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can email us at support@roluxglobal.com or give us a call.